Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can register as an affiliate marketer to earn up to $4,000 a month. Yeah, so many people are actually making it high on affiliate marketing, but the thing is, how do you go about it for you to be able to earn a lot of money? The first step would be for you to choose the right niche. When I talk about the right niche, I mean, what aspect of affiliate marketing do you want to promote? There are top niches out there that you can access, like health and fitness, finance, which is how to make money. There is technology, there is beauty, and so on and so forth. There are quite a few out there. So what the first step would be for you to select the niche that you want. Now, when you've selected the niche, you would have to head over to Google and select any affiliate marketing program that interests you. The two best ones I would actually suggest would be Digistore24 affiliate and ClickBank affiliate. These platforms, they deal on digital products. Digital products are things like online courses and journals, ebooks. Those are digital products. So you select the program that interests you. You would have to sign up to their platform. Now, when you sign up to the platform, just basic signing up process that these platforms use. So when you sign up, you would have to log back in. Now you go to the place that says marketplace. You click on that. So under marketplace, you will see product. Now the products that you will see would be the niches that I just talked about not long ago. So you select the niche that you had already decided under the or by the side where it says product. So when you select, you have to look for the product that you want to promote, So when you get the product you want to promote, click on where it says promote now. Now you copy the product link. So you've copied the product link, you are happy with the product. What next? So that takes us to the second stage of this video. The second stage would be how are you actually going to promote that link for you to make money, because if you don't promote it, you're not going to make any money, because affiliate marketing is all about you promoting other people's product as an affiliate marketer. So if you don't promote those products, people will not see them, and because people will not see them, they're not gonna buy, you see. So you're gonna choose a platform or platforms that you can use to promote the links. That is the product links. Now, one of those platforms would be, if you have a YouTube channel, that's a good platform that you can actually use to promote your link. But if you don't have a YouTube channel and you have Instagram page or Facebook, that's another, those are also great platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Now, YouTube, you can create your content like I'm creating this one. Now, under the description of your video, you add your link, your product link. And another great way you can do this is by writing a blog. So how do you go about writing a blog post? Some people, when they hear about blog, they think, oh, it's so daunting. How am I going to go about this? No, it is not what you think. With AI helping people to do a lot of creative things, you can actually use ChatGPT to write your blog, to get ideas of the kind of blog that you want to write. So remember, we copied the link of a product. So armed with that link that you had copied, you actually go to ChatGPT and put a prompt asking ChatGPT to give you ideas or to help you write an article concerning so niche. Now ChatGPT will give you idea, give you, if the prompt you're adding is so good, it will actually give you title, description, and write the article for you. So you copy that and head over to another platform, which is medium.com. Now when you go to medium.com, you would have to sign up to use medium.com. Though it's a free platform, but there is a paid one as well. But you can start with a free platform. So when you head to medium.com, you create your profile, and then you click on where it says create, write new. So you click on write, and the article that ChatGPT had written for you, you copy it, transfer it to medium.com, where you're writing your blog. Now you would have to customize that article, put your signature to it, put your thumb to it, make it yours. So you customize it, write it, rewrite it the way that it suits you, the way that people will see it, and not just, it will not be given away that it's AI that had done it for you. Remember, you're using AI to get ideas of how to do this. It's not necessarily that you're using AI to write the article. Now you paste the article there. You do all the editing and everything. Now you paste your product link, embed it into the article that you've written, into the blog post that you have written. Now when you embed the product link in there, you would have to publish the article. Now you publish the article, you copy the link of the article, and you head over to YouTube. You can paste the link of that article onto your YouTube channel, or you can go to Instagram, Facebook, and all that, and embed the article link. So even Pinterest. So anybody who goes to those channels and sees your article, goes to the article link, clicks it, and it takes them to medium.com where the article is. If they read the article, come across your product link, clicks on it, it will take them straight to the affiliate sales page. So inside the affiliate sales page, they will see the product, see all the information, how much it is and everything. If they're happy, they'll buy the product. So when they buy the product, that's where you come in. They will pay you your commission because you are the one who brought the traffic to their platform. The traffic is the person now who is buying the product. Without them coming across your product link that you had pasted, they wouldn't have been able to come to that platform to buy. So that is how affiliate marketing works. Now you might ask, how are you going to promote that link via Facebook? So let's say you've chosen the link of health and fitness. So you would have to go to Facebook and join groups, health and fitness groups. There are so many of them. Now when you join the groups, you have to be active in those groups. How are you going to be active? When people ask questions, you have to try and provide solution, give value, respond to people's questions by giving intelligent answers, and in that way you're giving value to the people in the group. Now when you give value, you will now be able to paste your article link inside, embed it into the answer that you're giving, or you can actually ask your own question. And because you've made yourself visible in those groups, people already see you, know that you give value, they would want to click on your link. Now when they click on your link, it will take them to the medium.com article. Sometimes you can just paste the product link directly inside the groups, the Facebook groups chat. So when you paste it, anybody sees that product link, clicks on it, it will take the person straight to the affiliate page, affiliate sales page. So when they get into affiliate sales page, they will access the information on that product. If they are happy, they will buy the product and you will get paid commission. That's how you can use Facebook to promote your affiliate links. And now come to Instagram. Remember, Facebook and Instagram, they are together, is called Meta. So you can also use Instagram to promote your affiliate links. Now the way you do this is you're gonna create content on Instagram and then add your affiliate links in the description. Let me say there are two types of traffic that you can actually use to gain traffic to your affiliate links. Now, the first traffic source would be the organic traffic source. Yeah, so that organic traffic source is, let's say for instance, you go to TikTok, you create content that is organically. And let's say you go to Facebook, you join groups, and as a result, you promote your affiliate link. That's organically, you're promoting your link. And then YouTube as well, Instagram, those are organic sources of traffic that you're creating to promote your links. Now, there is what is called paid traffic. So paid traffic is if you go to YouTube, for instance, and you do a YouTube ad, or you go to Facebook, you could do a Facebook ad or Instagram ad. Those are they are not organic traffic, they are paid traffic. Now, for people who has time, they can indulge in organic traffic. But if you know you don't have time to create content, to create awareness around your product that you're promoting, you don't have time, but you have the money to spend, because creating awareness via ads is not cheap. It's not free. So if you have the money to spend on ads, but you don't have time to go for organic traffic, then you go for ads. So those are the two sources of traffic that you can actually use to promote your product, link, yeah, as an affiliate marketer. So let's say you want to create your own content to promote your link, and you go to TikTok, for instance, to create your content. The way you can scale in this is to make sure you create quality content. Yeah. If your content is not quality and it's not valuable, people will not be interested to watch your content. You might not even gain followers or subscribers if you're on YouTube, for instance. So you would have to focus first on giving value. When you create content, when you're on a platform like TikTok, for instance, you create content that is high quality. Your focus is on how to give value. Now, because you're giving value, you're creating high quality content, people will navigate around your page. People will follow you. People will engage with whatever content you're creating. And as a result, whatever you're selling to them, they will listen, they will pay attention. But if your focus is just to promote your product link without even thinking about giving value to the end person, to the consumer, it wouldn't work, because we human, we don't like to be sold to. You give people value, you give them high quality content, you allow them to make up their mind. If you start pushing the product link on their faces without thinking about giving them value, it isn't gonna work. So first and foremost, think about how can you give value? How can you solve people's problem? Identify people's pain point. Now, when you are able to identify people's pain point, you will now be able to find solution and give them the solution. When you find that solution and you suggest that solution to them, they will be in a better state of mind to accept whatever solution you're presenting to them. That way, you find out that you see so many people patronizing you, so many people asking, how can I get that? How can I get that product and all that? So as a result, you will be making a lot of sales in the way you're promoting your affiliate links. Right. So guys, I'm going to leave it here for today because I don't want this video to be too long. I hope you've been able to get value from this video. If you have any question whatsoever relating to this topic of how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, just leave your question, your comment in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them. If you haven't subscribed, please do give me a subscribe, like this video, and then click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Once again, thank you so much for sticking around with me, and I hope to see you in my next video.